Hello, everybody. At this time, we are talking about a product development strategy. A product development strategy is a plan that lays out how a company builds and launches new products or updates existing ones. Without a product development strategy in place, there is no clear path for a company to develop new products or new product features. With a plan in place, you can put an organized effort into motion, one that consistently rolls up to the company's overall business goals and takes into account factors such as market trends, customers' needs, and competitor offerings. And then we move to reasons to create a product development strategy. Product strategy brings a number of considerable benefits that make it a valuable tool to guide development and business in general, and here are some of them. The first, better team alignment during the development process. One of the most common issues that emerge during the product development process is reworks due to misunderstandings. To be able to release a product on time, the team must set up efficient communication so that all team members are on the same page and know where to head. A product development strategy, in this case, is a useful tool to remind the team what's the point of the final destination, no matter what roadmap they choose. Second, resource saving. As we mentioned before, product development strategy explains what to build and what not to build. The team doesn't spend resources on increments that don't relate to the product development strategy and vision of the product. Such laser focus minimizes the time to market for your product. Third, risk mitigation. With a product development strategy, a team gets more chance to create a product you want and users need. The strategy should be based on in-depth research of the target audience, market, competitors, etc. This way, you eliminate guesswork and pave the way for a true data-driven development process. And then we move to benefits of a product development strategy. There are the key benefits of an effective product development strategy. The first benefit about revenue growth. Introduce new or improved products that open additional revenue streams, attract new customers, and drive upsells and repeat purchases, boosting overall sales and market share. Second, adaptability. Continuously tracking new trends and technology lets you adjust or pivot quickly, keeping your lineup relevant and competitive over time. Third, market expansion and diversification. Launch products for new segments, regions, or industries to spread risk and build diverse revenue streams beyond your core market. Fourth, operational efficiency. Clear product prioritize, streamline cross-team workflows, shortening development cycles, and accelerating launches. Fifth, customer satisfaction and loyalty. When each new product directly solves real customers' pain points, satisfaction rises, loyalty deepens, and churn falls. And then, what are the different product development strategies? The first, exploring open innovation. With this strategy, you're creating new products or services that address unmet needs or offer and after unique features. Embracing open innovation involves breaking down internal barriers and inviting external contributors, like opening your kitchen to friends and chefs from different backgrounds to exchange expertise to cook up something unique. Second, collaborating or building new partnerships. Try working with other companies or experts to co-create or develop new products using combined resources. While this might seem scary initially, think about some of the most popular recent collaborations in the tech industries. And then third, improving existing features. The most reactive of the strategies outlined, the strategy relies on making improvements based on user feedback or product insight. Based on your market's needs, you focus on enhancing or modifying existing products to improve features, quality, performance, or cost effectiveness. You'll see below how we here at Viberry use this approach and manage it all in one place. Fourth, expanding into new markets and industries. With this proactive strategy, you will introduce an existing product into new markets or demographics by adapting it to live different needs. That's how Uber took the food delivery model and applied it to revolutionize the taxi industry. Look at market trends in other industries and experiment with how they could be adapted to suit your objectives. And then fifth, extending your product line. Depending on the data driving this decision, you could consider the strategy reactive or proactive. For example, suppose you're expanding based on open innovation. In that case, this is proactive. But if you are responding to client feedback or defending against the competition, you are reacting to your target market's needs. And then why a product development strategy matters for startups. Startups typically have limited resources. A strong product development strategy ensures that time, money, and talent are focused on the most promising opportunities. It ensures product market fit and reduces risk throughout the stages of product development. The first, about ideation and research stage. The strategy defines how the product will address customers' needs, differentiate from competitors, and fit into the broader business. Second, product launch stage. The strategy defines the target audience and can help align messaging and branding as the product enters the market. And then third, prototyping stage. As the idea moves to prototyping and minimum viable product development, the strategy guides decisions on feature prioritization, resource allocation, and iterative testing. I think it is enough. Thanks for watching.